Kwekwe's mother had got an accident. So Dineo Ranaka says that accident is not normal. It's a target. It's a target, that accident. You understand it? Because guys, the people want justice just for Kwekwe. You understand it? And those people, they are fighting that case can be closed. You understand it? A child, guys, to a child, guys, it's not good, because Kwekwe's mother, she wants justice to her child. So when Kwekwe's mother had got an accident, they want that case to be closed. You understand it? Because Kwekwe's mother, guys, she is very strong, and she is keeping pushing that case. You understand? She is not getting tired. Maybe they think that Kwekwe's mother, she gonna get tired. That woman, she is not tired for her daughter's justice. You understand? Is not tired. So they want her to have an accident, because that accident, guys, is not normal. You understand it? It's a target. It's a target, because they want that case to be closed. And people, they want justice for Kwekwe, and they are not going to give up. You understand it? They are not going to give up on Kwekwe's justice. They are not going to give up. They got Coco's mother to have an accident. We don't know that she is injured or what. We don't even know. You understand it? Because that woman is very strong, guys. Is very strong, and they want her. You understand? They want her to be dead or something, just because they want that case to be closed. Because they saw that Coco's mother, she is not going to give up about her daughter to have justice. So they want her to get accident, so she can focus on her health, or she wants her to be dead. Because guys, in this world, we don't even know. You don't even know his mother's life is on risk, because now it's an accident. Tomorrow is something we don't even know, that they were going to do something bad to her. You understand? Because Kwekwe's mother, she is fight for her justice. You understand? She is fighting for her justice, because guys, now we don't know another thing they will do to her. You understand? We don't know, because guys, nowadays, hey, because she wants her daughter's justice, and now her life is on risk. Her life is on risk, guys. Is on risk, because guys, in this world, money works. You understand? Even though that person can pay people to do something to Kwekwe's mother, something bad to Kwekwe's mother. You understand it? Guys, Kwekwe's mother, she wants to be protected, that woman. She wants to be protected, because her life is on risk now.